You ever just go for a drive with your bros and one of your bros realizes, hey bro, this road is just, oh, it's not as spick as span as it could be, and it's really just it's putting a lot of edge on this drive. It's making me stressed. This game's about cleaning roads. I'm really on top of my game today. Thank you guys, I'll be here forever. All right, clean road, let's see what this is all about. This is the #1 free game in the App Store as of recording this video. So I guess what we gotta do is we gotta pick up the snow, but not pick up the not snow. I just saved a man. He was trapped in his house. Dude, I'm a freaking legend. I'm a vigilante. I should be arrested. I'm like Batman, but I'm cleaning snow. Wait, can you pick up this stuff? Okay, no, you can't pick up that. It's way too big. I left that guy there because he's never going to work. He's a bit of a jerk and he doesn't deserve work. We could upgrade car or no, freaking leave me alone. I've got roads to clean and people to be mean to. I mean, if I'm freaking helping you out, helping you get to work and helping you not be trapped in your house and be a prisoner in your own home, I think you can freaking take some of my snarky comments like, you're ugly. I don't like your tie. The one you wore last week was better. Put it on for me. I actually don't know what I'm saying. I can run over these tobaggos, which is pretty cool. I could go to Costco, which is also pretty cool if you ask me. They've got all the bargains as long as you've got an army for a family. Extreme gaming laptop! Save all cars. All right, freaking level 3 up. Let's see what you have in store for me. Hopefully it's a bunch of good times and happy rhymes. Okay, get out of here. Freaking why? You're not even snowed in, dude. You just buried yourself in hay. Like, what an idiot. Why am I helping the unhelpable? Why do I aspire to be greater than any man could be? Greater men than me have tried in the past and failed to freaking tell people to stop burying yourself in hay and getting stuck in your home. It's freaking rookie mistake #1 in the list of rookie mistakes, my guy in the farmer's handbook. I don't respect myself or anything I stand for. Got a freaking new car, dude. It looks pretty similar. All right, boys, I'm freaking gonna save every gosh dang car unless it's a tractor that get out of the way. What is this nonsense? Oh my God. Okay, nature's out to get me, dude. This has gotten complicated. The world doesn't want me to save the simpletons from themselves, and I understand why. Natural selection doesn't work anymore, dude. We've made the world too safe. I'm on your side, Frosty, whoever's throwing these snowmobiles at me. Oh no, Frosty, you didn't hear what I said last game about you and your relative. Oh my God, it's big carrots. What? It's big veggies? For some reason. Okay, I just wasn't ready, dude. I'm not like freaking worried. It's not like I can't take a care. I can't take care of myself, but I'll take care of that gosh dang carrot. And ask me if I care. I don't. Just ask me. Find out. Okay, why is that happening? I don't really understand. This is amazing. Okay, wait, how do I can't turn that. Yes, I can, but I died. Okay, that sucks. He's giving me weird emojis like, what are you doing, dude? I'm still stuck because you're in the way now. Thanks, bro. Thanks for letting me know, bro. I didn't realize. Wait, how am I supposed to? How is a lad to do? Oh, you just got to finesse it and then get icicled. This is a weird freaking game. I don't fully understand the vision. I think they had some higher level thinking than I. I need to freaking expand my consciousness to understand this game in its truest form. As the developers intended, they were way too woke for a freaking stupid bloke like myself. Okay, out of the way, little crystal ball, little Dungeons with Dragons. Level 5 just got high-fived because I'm friendly and I would never hurt a level. Just because they're not people doesn't mean you can hurt them. Okay, freaking Farmer Jimmy over here, just out in the boonies, unable to freaking get through this corn. Are they just like following me afterwards? Because that's kind of funny. You guys are putting way too much trust into someone who is quite literally dumber than you. Okay, out of the way, Pump goes. Okay, out of the way, Punk goes pop volume 47. More like Pop Punk goes even poppier, just a little slightly volume 89. Am I right, guys? Haha, because they made a lot of this. I'm gonna have to go to the police after this video is done being recorded and just give them my comedy badge. I feel like I don't deserve it anymore. What we're gonna have to do though is redeem ourselves before this video's over. How do you freaking do this? I'm just a simple plowman, and if I can't plow, what am I supposed to do? I know nothing else. I only know the game of the plow, and that's all I ever want to know. It's what I do, it's who I am, it's who I want to be. This is very complicated for me, Jimmy, and I need you to hop out the way regardless of being a pumpkin. Okay, I'm glad the pumpkins at least explode on contact. Scarecrow in the way. This guy, really cool. Okay, this guy, oh my God, how the hell am I supposed to do? Oh my God, stop with the corn and let me over there, and that's good. We're good, bro. You can't freaking keep me down forever. You kept me down for an awfully long time though. Let's not forget about that. I'm trying to keep everything fair here. How do I even get through there? I don't even know how to do that. Okay, you just gotta push. You gotta push and not go the same direction for too long, because then it thinks you're too stupid. And then it's like, well, you had your chance, buddy. And then I'm like, we're not buddies, you're literally ruining my life and my gameplay. And then I crash, even though crashing with a freaking a Push'em's car. What is it called? What's the Push'em's car called? A tractor? No, it's a bulldozer? Is that it? I think my vehicular apparatus at least resembles slightly a bulldozer or something bulldozer adjacent. So I think we're in the clear, bud. We really saved that. Coming in clutch with my brain and all the brain cells in there. At least the working ones. I'm glad I kept them. Okay, great. Glad I kept you guys on the team. There you go. That's the strat. This is the strat. I'm never gonna make it over there. Yes, I am. Okay, can I dig you out real quick, Mr. School Bus? The wheels on your bus are going nowhere, it seems. It seems like I am slightly better at my job than you. Great. Not really. Not anymore. Also, why are all these vehicles like this? Is everybody dead? Because that's morbid. There you go, bud. There you go, bud. I figured out the strat, and it's not that, and I missed one, and I'm screwed now, and I'm never gonna win, and I'm upset. Good enough. Who needs them? Apparently, you don't have to save all cars. Freaking, it keeps saying that. It's a happy recommendation. The doctors recommend 9 out of 10 of them. 9 out of 10 doctors say you should go to the doctor, dude. But I'm not sure what that has to do with this game, and also, there's so much snow, it killed everybody. This is the freaking apocalypse. I'm pretty sure there's no healthcare anymore, which is fine with me. I'm just a simple plowman. Okay, there we freaking go. Next game.